Some people may say, yes, we are made of stars just because we are made of some of the same elements. Some people may also say no, just because of the fact that we aren't burning balls of gas, but we have the same elements. Our group was wondering, are we made of stars or not? And so we had to do the research and backtrack to find out the origins of the earth, the sun, and humans and stars. We were confused on whether or not God created earth or if the supernova did. According to Genesis chapter 1, verses 1 through 12, it says that God created earth and God put grass on the earth. And we thought, wait a minute, that's confusing because the supernova created earth. So how did God create earth also? So we decided to email these two astrophysicists named Bernard and Ira. They said, in our current understanding of the formation of the solar system, the raw material was a molecular cloud that collapsed on itself. We think that this collapse may have been triggered by a nearby supernova, as meteorites have been found on Earth containing trace heavy elements that could only come from such an event. Aside from this, earlier supernovas were probably responsible for generating much of the raw material in our solar system. The early universe only really contained one or two kinds of chemical matter, hydrogen and helium. The heavier elements that are present in rocky planets, silicon, iron, etc., as well as those found in biological systems, carbon, oxygen, and etc., all have to be generated by nuclear fusion. This fusion only occurs in significant quantities at the heart of stars, and the resulting elements were released into the surrounding space when the dying stars exploded in supernovas. So in this sense, humans and all plants, animals, and microbes are made of X-stars. According to Lee Cronin on an episode of the TED Show that we had watched in class, he said that any matter that can evolve is alive. We concluded from his words that since the single-cell organism can evolve, therefore it is alive.
In this project, we had many flaws and many improvements. Some flaws that we had were our time management within our group, and we often lacked on making sure to bring in our electronics in on time. But we did have some improvements. Some improvements that we made sure we had were communication within our group and inquiry and collaboration. And we made sure that our research was turned in on time, and we made sure that our research was similar to our peers' research. Driving question, are we made of stars? Yes, we are made of stars, but not exactly. We are not burning balls of gas. But we do share similar elements with stars, such as nitrogen, oxygen, and carbon. So technically we are made of stars, but not exactly. We are made of their dust. So we're made of star dust.